Irene Tan Lloyd to join me here in front as we get ready to light up our Christmas tree. And everyone, may I invite you to all please stand. Hold up your glasses and get ready for a festive toast as we light up the Christmas tree. And before we should begin with our Christmas tree lighting, we'll be distributing drinks to our guests. Please hold on to your drinks, and once the tree has been lit, we'll raise our glasses and make a toast together to celebrate this wonderful season.
Ay, Diyos ko, Lord.
All right, everyone, are you ready? So let's count down together. All together now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cheers! So Merry Christmas, everyone! Maligayang Pasko sa ating lahat! Vice Mayor, Chief Atienza. Let's give a round of applause.
Good evening. First and foremost, I would like to really say that this is the biggest Christmas tree that we have lit this whole season. But nevertheless, this really marks the start of the Christmas spirit. And I'm just here to say Merry Christmas, advance Merry Christmas, and we're grateful for all the help and support that you have given us throughout the country. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Vice Mayor Chief, for those heartfelt words, and of course, to give us a few words from our beloved Mayor, Yorme Isko Moreno.
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat, mga naparito, especially to Sir Lucio, the wife and the family, the entire family. I would just like to share some historical facts of how gracious at mapagbigat si Kapitan. Mas importante na sa kaming tawagin. Hindi namin natatawag ng Lucio. Usually, we call him Kapitan. During the time of Mayor Lim, I was then a vice mayor. And Mayor Lim came up with an idea to put up a hospital for 6th district of Manila. And I opened the place. Sheraton Hotel is a very good place for an afternoon coffee and talk to Kapitan. Pero, Kapitan, meron kang underperforming property Regional Hospital. And Kapitan, for that matter, gave the property, donated the property, and that's now what you call Santa Ana Hospital. I hope you understand me, Kapitan. It's very old now and fragile, but I just wanted to share it to the family, the grandson, the grandchildren, daughters, how kung gaano kabait ang inyong lolo sa syudad ng Maynila. Ayan yung tinawag ko na pinangalanan ko na Tanyan King Foundation doon sa Santa Ana Hospital. And I hope we did not fail the entire family doing so, having the hospital through the leadership of Mayor Lim, because noong pandemic, kasi Director Padilla, noong pandemic, sa buong mundo, may problema tayo. In Manila, and in the country, it became the North Star of COVID facility of the city of Manila. And it did save a lot of lives. And I remember that one story of an 85 years old who were intubated, stayed in Santa Ana Hospital for 45 days because meron siyang COVID. She survived. And that we owe it to our doctors and nurses and of course sa kabulihan loob ng Lord. Kaya kayo naikwento, Pasko, ay simbolo ng pagmamahalan at pagbibigay. And we're very happy and it gives good vibes to the city. And kaya naman kayong mga narito, pumanatag kayo, ang inyong mapapangusod ay talagang doing our best, not only the way every single day, doing our best to bring back the trust of the businesses in the city, which modestly aside in the last 4 months of this new administration, 6,000 plus new businesses were registered in the city of Manila. And I'm very happy and excited for Sheraton family. Why? As you can see, ang tagal na table nung nasa tapat ninyo. And I tried to talk to the proponent. Rest assured that you have received component na kakampi. Kung pansinin ninyo, in the last 3 months, tumaas na. And I believe in the next 2 years, there will be more commerce and opportunity in this corner. And that will bring more food traffic and opportunity for our Sheraton Hotel in Manila. So, muli, the Dan family, thank you for not leaving the city of Manila. Maraming umalis nung nawala ko. Pero huwag kayo mag-alala. Ay yung mga nanatili, magbubuti kami. Yung gusto naman bumalik, huwag kayo mag-alala. Meron na kayong gobyerno sa lungsod ng Manila. Now, Vice Mayor Chiche and I and the entire City Council and through the leadership of our new Director sa Tourism, Krista Torrecini, umakatag kayo. Talagang pipilitin natin magbuti. And we wish this Christmas to be more peaceful, more healthy, especially to you, and to everyone. And hopefully, 2026 will bring us a better year for everyone in the city of Manila, the people of Manila, the country, and to fellow Filipinos. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to Magandang gabi at pagpalain ba kayo ng Momo. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much, Mayor Yormes Moreno, for that inspiring message. Once again, a big thanks to our Mayor and Vice Mayor for coming and everyone who joined us tonight. Let's give them a warm round of applause. And now to officially close our Christmas tree lighting celebration, we'd like to call on Ms. Ana Maridet P. Magiba, our OIC, Hotel Operations and Rooms Division Manager, for her closing remarks. Let's give her a warm round of applause.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for celebrating with us tonight and making Century Park Hotel your home away from home. Happy holidays, and may the spirit of Christmas travel with you wherever you go. Thank you, and magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat.
Alright, thank you so much, Ms. Ana Maridet Magiba, for the heartfelt message. Now, before we officially wrap up the night, we'll have our photo ops, of course. May we request to come forward, Chairman Dr. Lucio Tan, and Mrs. Carmen Tan, and Mrs. Irene Tan Luy, and Mayor Isko Moreno, and Vice Mayor Chi Atienza.